On a Mac, you can switch between different applications using the Command plus Tab keyboard shortcut. Here's how it works. Press and hold the Command key. While holding down Command, press the Tab key. Keep holding Command and press Tab again to cycle through open applications. Release the Command key to switch to the highlighted application. To quickly switch between different windows within the same application on your Mac, you can use the Command key along with the backtick key. Let me walk you through it. Hold down the Command key on your keyboard. While still holding Command, press the backtick key. To cycle through open windows, press backtick again while keeping the Command key held down. When you reach the desired window, release the Command key. Now the backtick key might not be the most convenient to use, depending on your keyboard's regional language settings. To adjust this, open your Settings app on your Mac. Navigate to the Keyboard section and then Keyboard Shortcuts. Find the shortcut named Move Focus to Next Window in the Keyboard Shortcuts window. Click on the shortcut and press the key combination you prefer. For example, I'll choose Command and the less than sign. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to navigate between open windows on your Mac. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll join me soon in my next video.